Next in CSS, we are going to do text alignment property, which is basically used to horizontally align the text, and it has different values. So first of all, we are creating 7 paragraphs to give different values to text alignment. We will be creating 7 paragraphs. So here within body section, we have created 7 paragraphs, and here in head section, I'm creating style tag. And here I'm creating class 1, and here I'm giving align. Very first value for it is left, which is used to left align your text. And we are assigning this class to our second paragraph. We are not doing anything with our first paragraph. Equals to 1. Save it, and we can see its effect in our browser. So this our second paragraph is left align, and we can see that there is not much difference between first paragraph, to which we haven't given any alignment property, and to second paragraph we have given left align. To third paragraph we'll be giving right align. Here class name is 2. Right, and we are assigning this class to our third paragraph. So this paragraph text will be aligned to the right edge of our browser. So our third paragraph is right align. We can see that here it is aligned to the right edge of our browser. Third is center align. Class name is 3, and here we are giving center. And we are assigning this class to our fourth paragraph. So this whole paragraph will be centered align. So this is our center aligned paragraph. Next is justify. I'm creating one more class, 4, and here it is justify. And we are assigning this to our fifth paragraph. So here in this paragraph we'll be getting little extra space in between the words, so that its content may get justified to its right edge and left edge of our browser. So this is our justified text. Next is start. Class name is 5, and here it is start. And here we are assigning this class to our next paragraph. It is same as left when the direction of our text is left to right. In the case of English, Hindi languages, we generally write from left to right, so it is not going to show you much difference. So this is our text align start. Next is text align end. class equals to 6. Save it. Here the output would be same as that of right if the direction of our text is left to right. So here output would be same as text align left. Sorry, right. Yeah, this is text align right, and this is also text align. Here we have given value end, and next is inherit. So for inherit, here I'm creating one div, and to this I'm giving text align property to left, and here I'm creating div, and to this p I'm giving style equals to within double quotes text align, and here I'm giving inherit. So this paragraph is going to inherit div's text align property. Here closing of div. Save it and click on go live. So it has inherited this property of text align which was left, and this text is left aligned, and our second paragraph is also left aligned. So we can see that there is no difference in between them. So this was our text align property in CSS.